Hi guys, my name is Maran. Today I am going to teach you how to solve the 3 by 3 cube. So before solving it, you should know about it. 3 by 3 consists of 3 layers. The first layer, second layer and the third layer. And the 3 by 3 consists of 3 main pieces. The center, the edges and the corners. The center has one fixed color and no matter how you turn it, it is not movable. Whereas the edges has two colors and it is movable. And it leads us to the corner which has three colors and it is also movable. So before we get started, we will quickly give this cube a quick shuffling. So let's start solving. So the first step of solving the 3 by 3 cube is to form the white cross. So if you have to form the white cross, you should get all the white edges with the yellow center. I'll explain to you why later. So first let's get all the white edges with the yellow center. Yes, we have all the white edges with the yellow center. So now let's take an edge. Now this edge. This edge consists of white and red. Now we should check that if the below center is matching with the other color. Red and blue, no, not matching. Red and red, now it's matching. So now what you have to do is hold the face like this with your hands and turn it once and twice. Now let's take another edge, this one. It consists of blue. Blue and red, not matchable. Blue and green, no. Blue and orange, no. Blue and blue, now it's matching. So 1 and 2. Other one, blue and green, no. Green and orange, no. Green and green, yes. So again 1 and 2. Other one, orange. Orange and green, no. Orange and orange, yes. So 1 and 2. Now you see all the corners have been placed downwards by flipping them. Now when you flip over the cube, you see that the white cross is already formed and it is matching with all its centers. So that's why I told you to bring all the white edges with the yellow center. Now let's solve the first layer by completing the corners and orienting it. So first, completely flip over the cube and find a white corner. We have one here. Its colors are red, green and white. So now let's check whether this corner should be here. Well, green and green is matching, red and orange. It is not matching. Let's go for another one. Red and red matching, green and green matching, and white also comes here. So you got to do this algorithm for you to get this corner rightly placed and oriented here. So the algorithm is right clockwise, up clockwise, right prime, up prime. Okay, as you can see, it's been properly oriented at this place without disturbing our cross or anything. Now this one, let's take this one. Its colors are red and blue. So as you can see, red matches with red, blue matches with blue. So we know that this should be here. So again, right clockwise, up clockwise, right prime, up prime. Actually, you got to keep doing this algorithm until it's placed properly. Let me just show you. See, you should keep doing this algorithm until it's been placed here and oriented. Now let's take this one. Orange and blue and white. So orange, orange, blue, blue. Yes, it should come here. So right, up, right prime, up prime. Now let's take another one. Here we have one. So let's check green and orange. Green matches with green, orange matches with orange. So the algorithm yes, as you can see, now we have completely solved the first layer. Now it's the time for us to solve the second layer. Well, to solve the second layer, you should not take any edge pieces containing yellow. I'll just explain you that why a bit later. Now, as you can see, we found a piece which does not contain a yellow color. It consists of red and blue. So now we should check whether the upper piece is matching with the center. Red and orange, no, it is not matching. Red and green, no, it is not matching. Red and red, now it is completely matching. So now we should find out whether this piece edge should go to the right side, left side, or the right side. Well, as you can see, the bottom color is blue, and whereas if you see the left side, the color is green, and when you see the right side, the color is blue. So we know that this edge piece should go here. To make this edge piece go here, should perform this algorithm. Face clockwise, down clockwise, right prime, turn the middle face like the clockwise, right face clockwise, then flip the cube over like this, and you can check that we have spoiled our first layer, but not to worry, just hold these two layers, bring it down. As you can see, there's only one white piece left. Just move it apart, get these two down, put this back forward, and reassemble the first layer. And as you can see, it has been correctly placed right in its place. Let me just show you with another example. Red and green. Well, it's already placed properly, and we have to check whether this should go left or right. Well, the right side is already occupied and green and blue doesn't match. Whereas if you see other side, green and green matches. Now, if the piece has to go left side, you should do the exactly same but the opposite. So, face clockwise, bottom clockwise, left clockwise, middle layer anti-clockwise, right clockwise. I meant middle layer prime, sorry. Now when you turn this like this, when you turn it, you see that it is once again in the same condition. So just hold these two pieces, turn it up, move this aside and form it. Now you see that it has been matched. Now let's take another color like, this doesn't contain any yellow. So orange matching. We should check that whether this has to go right side or left side. Well, as you can see, if you see the left side, green and orange, meaning green and blue, doesn't match. Whereas green and green matches. So we know that this should go the right side. So the right sided algorithm, face clockwise, bottom clockwise, right clockwise, middle layer clockwise, right prime, and as you see the white side, it's once again like get these two like this, move this aside, get the middle layer down, attach it and put it back. As you can see, we've almost finished the second layer, but we have to still put this piece. So orange, yeah, we have matched and it does not contain any yellow in it. So now we know that this should go the left side because blue and blue are matching. So we have to do the left sided algorithm, which is face clockwise, bottom clockwise, left clockwise, middle layer prime, and then left clockwise. And as you can see, once again the top, just hold these two like this and put it, and then put the edge back where it belongs. Now as you can see, we've almost completed the second layer, my bad. Now it's time for us to do the last layer. So for doing the last layer, you should form the yellow cross. To form the yellow cross, you've got to do this algorithm, which is face clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, top prime, right prime, and face prime. Now as you can see, we form this L shaped, and we have to continue doing the algorithm. So the algorithm is face clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top prime, right prime, up prime. And now as you can see, we have formed the yellow cross. Now first we got the yellow line as you saw, but that time you have got to do this algorithm twice, just as we did it now. But if you have already got the L, you just have to do it once. It doesn't make a difference. So all in all, I just tell, keep doing the algorithm until you get the yellow cross. Now what we have to do is orient these centers. Now as you can see, we have oriented already 2 of the centers, and we have to orient the rest of them. So turn it to a place where it is not oriented and do this algorithm. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right prime, up clockwise, right clockwise, up prime 2 times, and then right prime. Now as you can see, we have completely not solved it, but if we flip a cube over, you see we have formed them next to next, because if we do it like this, we could not do it. So if you have a situation in which the colors are opposite to each other, you should just do this algorithm which I showed you right now twice, and now you get this condition like this. Now in the condition like this, turn the cube to an unsolved part and do the algorithm again. And now when you flip the cube over, you see everything is oriented. Now the last step is to check that if all of the corners have been placed in its right place. At least you will have 2 of them in the right place, 1, none, or all of them in the right place. So now let's check whether if I have 1 in the right place. So yeah, I have just 1 in the right place, and then that's it. I just have 1 in the right place. If you have none in the right place, that time you got to do this algorithm, which is up clockwise, right clockwise, up prime, left clockwise, up clockwise, right prime, up prime, left prime. And as you can see, we have not spoiled them, and you will also get 1 in the proper place. Now as I had already 1 in the proper place, so it remained the same. And if you had none, you would get 1. So all in all, I tell, keep doing this algorithm until you get all the corners placed in the right place. Let me check if I got. Yes, I got all of them in the right place. Now that's what even I tell. Just keep doing this algorithm until you get all the corners in the right place. Now when you got all the corners in the right place, what you have to do now is make all of the corner pieces orient. So it's very easy to get all the corner piece oriented. And the thing is, just take one unsolved piece and then do this. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Keep doing it until one is solved. If one is solved, move on to the next one. Don't turn the cube completely like this, because it will have problems to solve. So don't turn it completely, just flip the top. Again, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Now it's oriented. Next one. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Now as you can see, you have solved your cube. Just need to turn it. Yeah, there you have it. Your 3x3 is solved. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you next week.